In a land far away, where the mountains touched the sky, lived an Afghan hound named Raja, with eyes that could reach high. He was a sight to behold, with his silken coat so sleek. His noble heart was pure, and his spirit ever weak. One day, as he roamed the hills, a rabbit caught his eye. With a bound he took off swiftly, the chase was about to spry. But alas! A sudden gust of wind blew strong and wild, and Raja, unaware, was swept off to a distant, foreign field. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. In a world unknown, he wandered, with thoughts that were fraught. He missed the familiar hills, and the scent of home. He longed for the love of his family, and his own. One day, he found a small village nestled in a vale, where people welcomed him, and never once did fail. They shared their food, and offered him a bed. A stranger found a home, where no one would be led. Raja stayed for many days, and learned from those he met that kindness was the key to peace, and to live life well set. He learned the value of friendship, and the power of a smile. And though he yearned for home, he knew he'd never be a while. As the seasons changed, and the leaves began to fall, Raja knew it was time to return or face the call. With a heavy heart, he bid farewell to his newfound kin, and set off on a journey back to where he'd begun. He found his way back home, to the hills he once knew. His family greeted him, their joy was true. They missed him dearly, and the love ran deep. But Raja had returned, and never would they weep. He shared his newfound wisdom, of kindness and of grace, and lived his days with joy, a noble Afghan hound's face. Though he had wandered far, he'd found a truth that's true, that kindness is the key to living life anew. Moral * kindness, like a compass, leads us home. Wherever life may take us, it's the path we've known. In every corner of the earth, in every place we roam, the kindness we extend will help our burdens be lifted and gone.